Hello students, my name is Baldeep Kaur. Today I am going to teach you 6th class maths. Today we will discuss about the chapter 4, playing with the numbers. So first topic is simplification using BODMAS. What is this? The order in which the simplification of several operations must be done can be remembered with the help of the word BODMAS. B for brackets. First carry out the operations inside the brackets. O means of, change of to multiply and solve. D division. After of carry out division. M for multiplication. After division carry out multiplication. A for addition. After multiplication carry out addition. Then subtraction. Finally carry out subtraction. According to this sequence you will simplify. Okay, firstly you will solve the brackets, then of change into multiply, then division, then you will do multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. The different kinds of brackets are, this is line bracket or bar bracket, next is common bracket, next curly bracket, then big bracket or square brackets. Clear? Our first example. Simplify 78 minus big bracket 5 plus 3 of 25 minus 2 multiply 10. So first step to solve the brackets. Okay, in between the brackets you will solve firstly multiply. 78 as it is minus 5 plus 3 of as it is 25 as it is minus 2, 10 multiplied by 2, 20. Clear? Because in the BODMAS first of all brackets, then of, then D. D for division, division is not there, then next is multiplication. 78 minus 5 plus 3, then in between bracket after multiplication addition, not here, then subtraction. 25 minus 25. Now what we will do the next step? Of, change of into multiply. Done. Then D. D for division, not there is division, then multiplication. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. So 15 plus 5, 20. 78 minus 20 is 58. Clear? As it is you will solve the steps and simplify the full sum in the examples. Okay, and you will do this exercise according to stepwise. 4.2 is not in your syllabus, then we will continue with the 4.3. Methods of finding the HCF of the given numbers. Common factor method, then prime factorization methods. So we will discuss about the prime factorization method. First step, find the prime factors of each given number. Second, take out the common prime factors. Third, multiply all the prime factors that are obtained in step 2. The product so obtained is called the HCF of the given numbers. By using prime factorization method, find the HCF of 20, 24, 36. First step, prime factorization of 20. How we will find it? See this. 20, 10 to the 20, 5 to the 10, 1 5 is 5. We will find this answer by the LCM method also. 2 into 2 into 5. This is your, what is this? This is one factor, that is multiples. Next, 12 to the 24, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6, 1 3 is 3. Again you will write. Then 36. 18 to the 36, 9 to the 18, 3 3 is 9, 1 3 is 3. So you will write the multiples. So now the common prime factors of 20, 24, 36 are 2 and 2. These are the common prime factors. So product of 2 into 2 is 4. So HCF of 20, 24, 36 is 4. As it is, by using prime factorization method, you will find the HCF. Next is the division method. Divide the larger number by the smaller one. Then the remainder is treated as divisor and the divisor as dividend. Divide the first divisor by the first remainder. Divide the second divisor by the second remainder. Continue this process till the remainder becomes 0. The divisor which does not leave a remainder is the HCF or a GCD of the two numbers. So let's see. 20. By division method, find the HCF of 20 and 55. You have to divide 55 by 20. So 22 is 40. 5 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. That is 15. So now this is your remainder and you will treat it as a divisor, and divisor is divided as a dividend. Consider this dividend. So 15 ones are 15. Again you will divide the second divisor by the second remainder. So at last your remainder is 0. So HCF of 20 and 55 is 5. According to stepwise you will solve this division method, okay, to find the HCF. Clear? Next is (4.4). In this exercise, sums are related with the common division method. First step is write the given numbers in a horizontal line, separating them by commas. Divide them by a suitable prime number which exactly divides at least two of the given numbers. We put the quotient directly under the numbers in the next row. Then if the numbers is not divided exactly, we bring it down in the next row. So we continue the process of step 2 and 3 until co-prime numbers are left in the last row. So we multiply all the prime numbers by which we have divided and co-prime numbers left in the last row. So this product is a least common multiple of the given numbers. So how you will find the least common multiple of 20 and 30 by division method? Firstly, 20 and 30, you have to find the LCM. 10 to the 20, 15 to the 13. Then 5 to the 10, 15 as it is. Because 5 is 2 is divisible by 10, not by 15. Then 5 and 15, it is divisible by 3. 5 3 is 15. Okay, at last you will find the LCM of 5, 5, that is 1 5 is 5. These are the multiples. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 15. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5, 16. This is your answer, LCM. As it is, you will solve the sums by using common division method. Clear? There is a next relation between HCF and LCM. For any two numbers, the product of the numbers, the product of their HCF and LCM. HCF two numbers, product of two numbers over LCM of two numbers. LCM of two numbers, product of two numbers divided by HCF of two numbers. So first number is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM divided by the second number. As it is, you will solve these sums. Clear? Thank you.